Well, I hope you've had a reasonable time here today. It's very much the first time we've tried it as a training event. I think it's not gone terribly badly. There's things, a few fine-tuning we have to do. But I think it's been information intensive, perhaps too much in some respects. This is only the start of the whole thing, because we have many more events and active plans during the rest of the year. We have this main training event again, but run in Norway, in Poland, in Spain and in Italy. And every time we do it, we'll refine it, we'll change it for the market we're going to see in those countries. And we'll hopefully get around quite a few industrialists and academics, so that at least they have the message across there that there is something worth looking at. We have these webinars, which again we're trying for the first time, which allows you to log on from the comfort of your own desk and to access new information and build on the sort of foundation we've seen today, but perhaps address more specific issues. And clearly on the material side there's a lot more material information we have to give out. We'll have the medical training event in Maastricht on the 23rd of October. So if you're budding surgeons or you know some of the Max Fax area, please let them know about that activity. It's going to cost €50 to attend, which is, if anyone visits to see a specialist, that's about 0.1 of a second of their costs. How many students have we got here? Okay, that's good. We have a student competition. I sort of devised it and I sort of wish I hadn't done. It's about coming up with customised products, not designing them, but just thinking products that would benefit from being customised. There's prizes, €800 for the best prize, down to €300 for the third place runner-up. There's a deadline, which is a week this Friday, so it's Friday the 18th. But it's not very onerous. All you have to do is upload a poster that says this is the idea and explain why it's a good idea. So it's not so difficult. Again, the rules are on the Custom Fit website. We have the summer school. Lots of potential attractions for the summer school.
The apartments are beautiful.
And I guess we all wish there were students again. But that should be good. And that's an opportunity to check specifically with students what they want from us and how to present the information to them, to get them on board. Because they're going to be the guys, they're going to be the consumers and the designers of the future. Details of all these dissemination training activities are on the Custom Fit website, including the recordings of this event today, all the slides from the presentations, access to complete library information. There's over 2,000 slides and 40 hours of training. That will be available on the 1st of January, but we will send out CDs and DVDs to you in the meantime of what has happened today, so that you've got something. It won't just be a PDF, it will be proper PowerPoint presentations you can use yourself. The whole idea is you are now trained to train. There are other events you'd ought to know about in a similar vein, or similar field. With the Prototyping Manufacturing Association, we have an event on the 24th of September on design and manufacturing in the arts and craft field. That's addressing a completely different market. In December this year, we'll be looking at prototyping architecture. For those that haven't registered yet, there's still time. 9th and 10th of July, that's tomorrow and the day after, there's the big Rapid Manufacturing Conference at Loughborough. Lots of presentations. And having been here today, you now have the background information to appreciate more of those presentations. So if you have a chance, please register for that. I think the exhibition may be free of charge, I'm not quite sure of the rules. And then on the 21st and 22nd of October, we have the TCT conference and exhibition at the Ricoh Stadium in Coventry. Okay, I have to do a little bit of a plug. What I do, it's not my day job, this is a hobby. And I have to teach students. And I'm very keen to see hard-working, enthusiastic students during my course, particularly part-time students. It doesn't matter whether you're 20 or 55 would have equal success. In fact, the part-time students overall score the highest marks of all the students we have. So if you're thinking about getting credit for what you already know, there's the opportunity to enrol as a part-time student on this course. I'd be very happy to see you. Finally, many thanks for your attention today. I'm really heartened by the number of people who have come and the number of people that stayed throughout the whole of the day. I hope you found it stimulating, and please complete your assessment forms. We do need those as part of the European thing, okay? You don't have to pay for lunch, you pay for parking, you pay for lectures, but we need those assessment forms in. We also want your name badges back. We borrowed them. On the threat of death, we don't have to turn them.
Where do you want them?
Yeah, please bring them to the front desk on the way out. And finally, have a safe journey home. So thank you very much. Thank you.